Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, Kim. How are you today?
I'm good, Trump. You look happy.
How was your flight, Kim?
It was smooth and calm.
How's your hotel room, Kim?
It's big and very clean.
Do you like fast food, Kim?
Only when I feel lazy.
I love fries and ketchup.
I love spicy food more.
Kim, do you play any sports?
Yes, I played table tennis.
I play golf on Sundays.
Golf sounds so boring.
Hey, golf is a rich game.
So is chess, Mr. Rich.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 daily.
Wow, that's very early, Kim.
Early bird gets the worm.
Can you swim, Mr. Kim?
Yes, like a strong fish.
I float more than swim.
You need practice, friend.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read every night.
I read about big ideas.
Books give us great power.
Can you draw or paint?
I draw funny faces.
I only draw dollar signs.
Classic Trump art style.
What's your favorite game?
Hide and seek with guards.
That sounds super fun.
I always hide too well.
Do you like hot tea?
Yes, with honey always.
I prefer cold iced tea.
You're chill, Mr. Trump.
What's your hidden talent?
I can juggle 3 balls.
I can juggle reporters.
Ho, that's next level skill.
What's your favorite day?
Sunday, rest and noodles.
I like Fridays the best.
Weekend joy starts early.
Do you plant trees, Kim?
Yes, every spring season.
Trees make air so fresh.
They also give peace vibes.
Trump, do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy rock music.
I prefer soft piano tunes.
Sounds peaceful, not loud.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I love action films.
I like old comedy movies.
Comedy makes life better.
Do you like fireworks?
Big fan of bright lights.
I enjoy loud ones most.
Let's watch them together.
Are you scared of heights?
No, I like tall towers.
I live near big mountains.
Must be cold up there.
What's your dream vacation?
Beach with golden sand.
I like peaceful lake trips.
Sounds calm and nice.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, but I scream inside.
I raise my hands always.
You are braver than me.
Do you travel much, Trump?
Ha, I fly more than birds.
Nice. I like slow train rides.
Fast jets are my style.
Do you wear pajamas?
Yes, golden ones with stars.
Mine have little rockets.
Haha, dream team of pajamas.
What shoes do you like?
Shiny black ones, always.
I wear soft slippers indoors.
Comfy feet, happy mind.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10 at night.
I sleep past midnight.
You're a true night owl.
Do you believe in aliens?
Yes, maybe they love Earth.
I think they watch us.
Hope they enjoy our shows.
Mr. President, we must work together.
Yes, peace is always better.
No more fighting, just talking.
Words are stronger than war.
Let's build bridges, not walls.
Let's shake hands, not fists.
We should help each other.
Together, we are stronger.
Can we make a peace plan?
Yes, for the people's sake.
No more angry speeches now.
Only friendly talks ahead.
The world watches our steps.
Let's give them a smile.
Peace brings better sleep, Trump.
And better smiles, too, Kim.
Fighting solves nothing at all.
Talking solves almost everything.
Can we promise no war?
Yes, peace from both sides.
Let's show kids a new way.
Sure, a way of light and hope.
Kindness is real power, Trump.
I choose kindness with pride.
Should we write a peace book?
Yes, call it Better Together.
Let's plant peace, not fear. Let's grow love, not hate. Peace is our biggest win.
I'm proud to walk with you.
Kim, are we friends now?
Yes, stronger than ever.
Friends bring peace and joy.
And silly jokes too, Trump.
Let's make history with peace.
I'm ready. Let's begin.
We laugh, we learn, we grow.
That's true global power.
May our countries shake hands.
Let 'em smile, not fear.
Unity is a great goal.
We can reach it together.
Let's surprise the world, Kim.
With peace, not threats, Trump.
A handshake can change history.
Then let's shake right now.
Do you want world peace?
More than anything else.
Then let's lead with love.
Love makes nations better.
Will you invite me soon?
Yes, for dinner and peace.
Can we be peace icons?
Trump and Kim for peace.
I'll tweet it right now.
I'll tell my people today.
What a great talk today.
Fun, wise, and peaceful too.
Let's do this again soon.
Anytime, Mr. President.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.